In this video, I am going to show you how you can participate in Verda City Contest, where you can win up to $300, okay, or 300 USDT. And it started on the June 20th and it's going to end on July 20th. That means 1 month interval. Yes, if you are new to Verda City, I'll leave the link at the description down below and also the first comment. Make sure you join this project. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please give me a like, subscribe, join my Telegram channel, follow me on X, and also join my WhatsApp channel. Now let's get into it. All right, so now this is the campaign or the contest. Okay, so join the Verda City active mining campaign now. Date 20th June to July 20th. Rules: rankings are determined by the total mining amount of you and your first level invitees. So I'm going to explain that, don't worry. And the prize pool is 1000 USDT. Unleash your mining power, rally your invitees, and compete for top rewards. Don't miss out on this exciting campaign. If you want to win, I am going to show you what you can do for you to win this particular campaign or contest. So all you have to do is that you need to invite people. Okay, so when you invite people, what happens is that it increases your mining power. Okay, when you and your followers or your invitees, okay, are able to get a lot of the Verda City coins, then you stand the chance of winning the contest or the campaign. You understand? And I'm going to show you how you can get you can increase your mining power in order to increase your mining amount. You understand? Yes. So you have to also teach your invitee to increase their mining power, okay, in order to get more of their mining amount, okay, and that will amount to your success. You understand? So I'm going to show you this, don't worry, and I bet you if you follow what I'm going to show you, you are going to be part of the winners. At least your 20 USDT will not be in vain. So it started on the 20th June and it's going to end on 20th July. So make sure you gather as much as of the token within that particular month. All right, so let's go straight to my phone. All right, so I've opened the Verda City app. Okay, then please, if you're new to Verda City, I'll leave the link at the description down below and also the first comments. Okay, yes, so don't fade. Okay, don't fade with Verda City. So now you can just check on my phone. We have this section. I have to show you something before I show you what you can do. So this is the mining amount that I have, and every day they are going to give you free BTC. And when you check this section, we have the personal power, okay, which is the mining power, and we have the team power. So my team has no power, don't worry. And this is what I get per every hour, okay, per every hour, which is 4.9 Verda. You understand? And this is the time that I can claim. All right, so I am going to show you how you can increase this. Okay, you can increase this and that will increase your mining power. So basically, when you increase your personal power, it is going to increase what you are going to get, okay, per every hour. Okay, the amount of Verda you are going to get per every hour, and the amount of Verda you are going to get per every hour is going to increase your total Verda. You understand? So that is it. And when you come to the team section, also you can see I have only 2 members in my team, and this is their power, and you can see that their power is too small. You understand? It's just 200,000. And let me go and show you my. So when you check, my mine is 1 million. Okay, 1 million personal power, and my team has only 200,000, so they cannot get more of the Verda. So that will deter my winning of the campaign. So I'm going to show you how you can increase that so that it will increase your Verda tokens. All right, so all you have to do is to join their Telegram channel. I'll leave the link of their Telegram channel at the description down below. All right, but before that, you have to come to the reinforcement section, which is this section. Okay, just click on that. So when you click on that, we have 2 sections over here. We have the energy seed and we have this is the energy seed, and we have the energy box. All right, so now what is going to happen is that with this energy seed, okay, so you are going to look for people who have either started any of this energy seed, or better still, you are going to start this energy seed, and when you start and people join, then you exchange it, and that will increase your personal power or your mining power. So let me explain. So let's say this is energy polar, you understand. So when I click on initiate, okay, then I can select the number of people I want to join hands together or heads together. So I'm going to choose 5, and I'm going to click on confirm to initiate. You understand? So now I am the first person over here, and this is the power I am going to gain. So this is the power I'm going to gain, and that power 1575 is going to be added to my 1 million over there, and it is going to increase the Verda I get every 1 hour. You understand? So now for me to start the exchange, which is this one, I have to invite 4 more people. You understand? So how can I invite 4 more people? So Verda City has created a platform for that. So all I have to do is I have to just click on this link, okay, just click on this, you understand, then just to copy that, okay. So after that I have to join their Telegram channel. So this is their Telegram channel, and we have the code exchange. Just click on the code exchange, okay. So all you have to do is okay, yes, I posted some, okay. So all you have to do is you just have to paste it over here and tell them the kind of energy seed it is, okay. So I am going to write it is polar energy, polar energy. So this is it. When I go back here, you can see that it is polar energy, okay. This is it. Let me show you something. So this is it. Inside there you can see it is polar energy. So I have to tell people that this is polar energy, you understand. So back, so I'm going to paste it over there, and let's see if I'm going to get people to join. So now polar, I'm going to copy it, okay. So you have to wait for 10 seconds in order to post. I'm going to make it huge, sorry, I'm going to make it bold, sorry, I'm going to make it bold, okay. Then I'm going to make it mono. What it means is that when someone clicks on it, automatically it is going to copy it. So there's no need for the person to highlight. All right, so I'm going to paste it once again. So you can see when I click on it, it says copied. So there's no need for me to select. So now I have to go and check if anybody has joined, okay. So let's see, and no one has joined, okay. So we have to wait. There are people online, so people who have the polar seed, okay, the polar energy in their energy seed section, they can join. For instance, let's say for this, okay, I initiated it. For instance, if I want to join someone's energy, all I have to do is, so let's say I have technological energy over here. This is this one. All right, okay. So I am going to click on this, okay, and it is telling me to enter the energy code, okay. What is technological energy code? So I have to go back to the code, okay. All right, I have to come back here to the code exchange group. Then I have to look for technological what energy, okay. So searching, let's see if I can find any technological energy. So let's see. So I am not finding, okay. Better, so I can question, I can ask, okay. So there is one here. So if you check this section, you can see that we have technological energy, and this is the code, right? So all I have to do is I have to just copy the technological energy code, go back to Verda City, paste it over here, then click on confirm, and it says exchange code does not exist. That means that the person has exceeded the number of people, and the person has exchanged it, so they have gotten the power already. So I have to search for a new one, you understand. So that's what you can do. So I think I haven't gotten any, so I'll wait. I'll keep on posting in the group, okay, for people to join my my contest, okay, over here. This will not give you a lot of the energy power, okay, or the mining power, but when you come to the energy section, which is this section, that is where you can get more of the energy power or the mining power. So I'm going to click on the energy box right now. So when I click on energy box, you can see that I have a lot of energies over here, and people need this. Okay, now look at this. I'm going to explain this to you. Now when I share my energy box to people, I am going to get 1,000 of the energy power or the mining power. Okay, and the person who was able to get this code and executed it is going to get 25,000 of the energy power or of the mining power. That means the person who is going to get it is going to gain more than me. You understand? So what I do is that most of the time I go searching for the energy boxes. Okay, I go searching for them. Okay, when I go searching for them, then that's what made me increase my energy power or the mining power, that I've gotten 1 million of it. So how do I get this? What I do is I go to the exchange group like that, wait for people to post the energy box. All right, then I copy it. But before that, what I do is I open this already. Okay, then I wait for people to post the energy box. You can see someone posted it over here. Okay, I'm going to copy it. I have to be fast as possible. Let's see if no one has entered it. Then submit, and it says box code has been used, so I have to delete it, then go back to the group again. Then I have to wait for someone to paste it, you understand, for me to increase my energy or my mining power. And by increasing your mining power, you are going to get more of the Verda coins or the Verda tokens, you understand. So that's how you can win this contest. So once you are doing this, make sure you teach your invitees, those you invite, make sure you teach them so that they can also increase. When they increase, you are going to get more of it, and you are going to win. All right, so you can see someone has posted energy, lighting energy, right? So I'm going to copy. Let's say I don't know whether I have lighting energy in the energy seed section. I'm going back to the energy seed, lighting energy. There's no lighting energy here, so let me check if there is anything related to mine. There's water energy. Yes, so there's nothing like mine over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my energy box, and I'm going to put it in for people to also get 25,000 of the, and each day you have the chance to enter 15 of the code, the energy box code. Okay, 15, you understand. So 25 times 15, that's what you are going to get, you understand. Yes, so that's how you can contest in this campaign, and that is how you can win this campaign. Make sure you do what I have showed you on the phone. So if you increase your personal power or your energy power or your mining power, it is going to increase your Verda that you get. Okay, and that will increase your chance of winning this contest or this campaign. All right, so I have told you, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you are new to this project, I'll leave the link at the description and also the first comment. All right, follow me on X, join my Telegram channel, join my WhatsApp channel, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.